Hey folks, Shooter McNutt. Did a little grocery shopping today down in Fremont, Indiana. Shelton Fireworks. Got Purple Passion, Starry Night Crackling Cone. I think I've shot that one before, but I can't remember. Cherry on Top, Roman candles. Got these ones $1.25 for these little tiny Roman candles. Let's see how they do. Bees and flowers, starlights, parachutes, some cone fountains. Got more of these howling rockets. Those are really good. Aloha cone fountain. Got a pack. This cool little cake here. Anti-tank mine. Does it have mines? We'll see. Hula Girls. Beyond All by Brothers. I haven't seen that cake before, so. Blue Rain Thunderclap. Looking forward to that. Thunderstorm. The 10th million car to go by today. Jeez, Pete's. Parachute Frenzy cake. That looked interesting. Some more cones and fountains. Got some firecrackers. Got some lady fingers. Mini mite rockets. Got some ace rockets from Stargate Fireworks. Got some Shelton Goddess of the Skies fireworks. Those look cool. Got a big fountain, tailgate party. I wonder if it's like that category 5. And then my freebie was this one. Welcome to Algiers. That's a big old cake. It's like 10 shot. Yeah, looking forward to that one.